In this video, how to flip a video in Camtasia. First, let's talk about the axis. Z-axis, this allows you to rotate your image or video clockwise and counterclockwise. Y-axis. Use this to turn your video from left to right or right to left. X-axis. This axis flips the video over. To create a horizontal mirror effect, adjust the Y-axis rotation to 180 degrees on the right side of the screen. For a vertical flip, simply set the X-axis rotation to 180 degrees. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.